Exercise question. First question is find the minimum of two number. This first of all we create a new class. Name is minimum of two number. First of all we take input int a comma b equal to scanner dot next int a equal to scanner dot next int. We will write enter the input, enter the number one for for our understanding. Similarly, we will write for the second one. Now, what we have to return? We have to return the minimum of the amongst the two. Then we would SOUT minimum is, in this we use ternary. If A is greater than B, then we have to write B, else we have to write A. First we enter a number that is 15 and second we enter 2. So minimum is 2.